11 animals, and today you'll meet 189. Three types. We raise we raise Nubians. They have long, flappy ears. As you can see, they're really friendly, but if you've got extra things, they like to see what that is, and they'll kind of try to nibble and chew on it. But you guys can come say hi. Don't be shy.
If you walk halfway up the field, just as far as where those trees are, and then I'll let those babies run out too. It's a lot more fun. Get it nice and fluffy, and then I put it in. This is Faltham. This is what we're known for. This is Jesse's creation. This was rated 10th best in the world. Faltham, it gets its name because we use our fall's goat's milk to make this cheese. We make it in the fall and then we sell it this season later.